What if the home of your dreams could save you thousands of dollars and help the planet? In this video, we break down the sustainable home technology costs and green building initial expenses that make eco-friendly upgrades a smart move for affluent homeowners. Let's find out if sustainability is the future of luxury living. Upgrading to a sustainable home often starts with renewable energy installations like solar panels or geothermal heating systems. These upfront investments can range from $10,000 to $30,000, depending on size and features. High-efficiency appliances and eco-friendly home upgrades may cost more than traditional options initially, but the savings start almost immediately. Let's talk numbers. Homeowners who adopt energy-efficient home investments often report savings of 30 to 70% on utility bills. Imagine slashing your electricity bill while adding value to your property. Studies show that homes with sustainable upgrades sell faster and for higher prices, offering long-term savings with sustainable home tech and measurable cost benefits. But here's the big question: can sustainable homes actually pay for themselves? Stick around as we break down the math and reveal how your investments can turn into passive savings year after year. Solar panels alone can pay back their cost in as little as 6 to 10 years, and energy-efficient windows save hundreds annually. For luxury buyers, these savings translate to freedom, more resources to reinvest in your lifestyle. Think sustainable living is out of reach? Not anymore. With affordable sustainable housing solutions, you can start small: LED lighting, smart thermostats, and scale up over time. We'll also break down the cost comparison of traditional versus sustainable materials, helping you make informed decisions. Investing in sustainable home technology means lower bills, a higher home value, and a cleaner planet. Ready to take the next step? Hit that subscribe button for more insights into eco-conscious luxury living, and let's create a greener future, starting at home.